Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, the growth of bike sharing schemes around the world. First 14 to 18 questions are to find out the paragraph from which these statements have been taken. First question was, a description of how people misused a bike sharing scheme. लोग bike sharing schemes की कैसे misuse करते हैं? Let's see in the paragraph. The system, however, was prone to vandalism and theft. After every weekend there would always be a couple of bikes missing, so this statement is in the paragraph. Next question was, an explanation of why a proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. Bike sharing scheme को खारिज क्यों किया गया? Let's see in the paragraph. Nevertheless, the council unanimously rejected the plan. They said that the bicycle belongs to the past, so this is in the paragraph. C. Next question is, a reference to a person being unable to profit from their work. किसी व्यक्ति के अपने काम से लाभ न कमा पाने के संदर्भ में. Let's see in the paragraph. He says, but financially I didn't really benefit from it, because I never filed for a patent. So this is in the paragraph. F. Next question is, an explanation of the potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. ये स्पष्टीकरण की एक बाइक शेयरिंग योजना से संभावित रूप से कितनी बचत हो सकती है. Let's see in the paragraph. It turned out that a white bicycle per person, per kilometer, would cost the municipality only 10% of what it contributed to public transport per person per kilometer. So this is in the paragraph. C. Next question is, a reference to the problems a bike sharing scheme was intended to solve. उन समस्याओं के संदर्भ में जिन्हें सुझाने के लिए बाइक शेयरिंग योजना बनाई गई थी. Let's see in the paragraph. They believed the scheme, which was known as the Wittgenstein Plan, was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution and consumerism, so this is in the paragraph. A. Next 19 and 20 questions are, which two of the following statements are made in the text about the Amsterdam bike sharing scheme of 1999? निम्नलिखित में से कौन से दो कथन 1999 की एम्स्टर्डम बाइक शेयरिंग योजना के बारे में दिए गए पाठ में उल्लेखित हैं? Let's see in the paragraph. To continue the project we would have needed to set up another system. But the business partner had lost interest, and other answer is, in the Netherlands, and this time he succeeded in arousing the interest of the Dutch Ministry of Transport. Times had changed, he recalls, people had become more environmentally conscious, so its first answer is, B. It failed when a partner in the scheme withdrew support, and second answer is, D. It was made possible by a change in people's attitudes. Next 21 and 22 questions are, which two of the following statements are made in the text about Amsterdam today? निम्नलिखित में से कौन से दो कथन आज के एम्स्टर्डम के बारे में दिए गए पाठ में उल्लेखित हैं? Let's see in the paragraph. It is regarded as one of the two most cycle-friendly capitals in the world. Second is, people who travel on the underground don't carry their bikes around, but often they need additional transport to reach their final destination. So first answer is, D. A bike sharing scheme would benefit residents who use public transport. Second answer is, A. The city has a reputation as a place that welcomes cyclists. Next 23 to 26 questions are to complete the summary. This is about the first urban bike sharing scheme. First question is, the first bike sharing scheme was the idea of the Dutch group Provo. The people who belonged to this group were something. पहली बाइक शेयरिंग योजना डच समूह प्रोवो का विचार थी. इस समूह से जुड़े लोग किसी विशेष प्रकार के थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Provo, the organization that came up with the idea, was a group of Dutch activists who wanted to change society. So its answer is, activists. Next question is, they were concerned about damage to the environment and about something. वे पर्यावरण को होने वाले नुकसान और एक अन्य बात को लेकर चिंतित थे. Let's see in the paragraph. They believed the scheme, which was known as the Wittgenstein Plan, was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution and consumerism, so its answer is, consumerism. Next question is, as well as painting some bikes white, they handed out something that condemned the use of cars. कुछ साइकिलों को सफेद रंग कर उन्होंने ऐसी सामग्री बांटी जो कारों के उपयोग की निंदा करती थी. Let's see in the paragraph. They also distributed leaflets describing the dangers of cars and inviting people to use the white bikes. So its answer is, leaflets. Next question is, however, the scheme was not a great success. Almost as quickly as Provo left the bikes around the city, the something took them away. जैसे ही प्रोवो ने शहर भर में साइकिलें छोड़ी, लगभग उतनी ही जल्दी किसी ने उन्हें हटा लिया. Let's see in the paragraph, when it came to publicizing Provo's aims but struggled to get off the ground. The police were opposed to Provo's initiatives and almost as soon as the white bikes were distributed around the city, they removed them. So its answer is, police. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.